In this video, how to mix organic compost and pot. This simple process is smell-free and easy to implement. In order to make a compost using simply need a container. It can be anything from a bucket to a normal induction or garden pot. Build some holes in the container so as to let some air in easily. Tie shallow pot or tray to collect the drained water. To prepare the most nutrient-rich compost, we will require these ingredients. Petrols are primarily made of calcium carbonate. Calcium causes the plants to develop a strong cellular structure. Neem leads, rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, cause to increase plants' resistance to pest threats. Garden soil, it will keep the blood smell away and it will hasten the composting process. Compost, it will introduce bacteria and airborne, which will hasten the composting process. Banana peels will add fission and will cause small amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. Kitchen waste high in nitrogen and helps to activate the heat process. In order to hold compost, break down faster your kitchen waste since it takes longer for larger fields to break down. This will speed up the time it takes to make compost. You can also add wood chips, straw or hay, straw, browning pine, necklace, stringy paper, newspaper, coffee grounds, etc. Layer the bottom on the container with 1 inch of garden soil and add that 1 inch of compost to start the pile, which will help to introduce the core bacteria. The best place to start composting is outdoors, but you can even start the process inside your home. The best kitchen sprays to add to your compost pile are touch rid of vegetables sprays because they break down quickly and do not attract rodents and insects. Green material, which are high nitrogen, are used to activate the heat process in your compost. At corrected calciums to add calcium and other minerals in the compost. Add new leads to 10 minutes and it will add antibacterial properties to your compost. Repeat the process and add multiple layers of kitchen waste, neem leads, compost and soil respectively. Call the essential count into content with count another as shall be laid down into layers that are only a feet inch deep. To fasten the process, we will use normal garden, soil and compost. Compost will also introduce earthworms in the nursery, which will help the mix to decompose quickly. Garden soil will keep the bad smell away and it will fasten the composting process. Press the meat with your hand, compress heat. Should that call the initial count into contact with one another. To avoid any spills, place shallow fry container underneath the container. Very well. location. Keep the container in full sunlight and beyond the sun grace. And sure it will need more water. Reuse the colored pregnant water as it contains useful bacteria and essential nutrients. Keep the pregnant pot underneath the container for at least 10 to 15 days.